The story takes a dramatic turn when Suraj's car suddenly explodes. Everyone is left horrified, believing that Suraj has died in the blast. Banti rushes to Isha and tells her that he saw Suraj's car explode with his own eyes. But the truth is far more surprising. Suraj is actually alive. Before the explosion, he becomes suspicious because Banti seems desperate to stop him and appears to be hiding an important secret. Wanting to know the truth, Suraj escapes from the car just in time, saving his life. The biggest shock comes afterward. When news of Suraj's death reaches Isha, she breaks down completely. She cries uncontrollably and is unable to accept that Suraj is gone. Watching her from a distance, Suraj is stunned. He cannot understand why Isha is grieving so deeply if she no longer cares about him. Determined to uncover the truth, Suraj decides to stay hidden. He lets everyone believe that he is dead while secretly keeping an eye on Isha. What he discovers changes everything. Isha is completely shattered by the loss of Suraj. Her tears are real, and her pain is impossible to hide. Seeing her heart break, Suraj finally begins to realize that Isha never betrayed him. The woman he doubted has always loved him and remained devoted to him. Meanwhile, Akash had already told Isha that a bomb had been planted in Suraj's car. The moment she hears this, she rushes to the scene in panic. By the time she arrives, the vehicle is already engulfed in flames. Believing that Suraj is trapped inside, Isha loses control. She desperately tries to get closer to the burning car and repeatedly calls out Suraj's name. The people around her stop her from risking her life, but she continues crying and pleading in despair. Hidden nearby, Suraj witnesses everything with his own eyes. For the first time, he sees the depth of Isha's love. The story takes a dramatic turn when Suraj's car suddenly explodes. The massive blast leaves everyone convinced that Suraj has lost his life. Panic spreads throughout the family as Banti delivers the heartbreaking news that Suraj's vehicle was destroyed before his eyes. But fate has a different plan. Before the explosion, Suraj senses that something is terribly wrong. Banti's desperate attempts to stop him make him suspicious. Realizing that a dangerous secret is being hidden from him, Suraj manages to escape just moments before disaster strikes. As the burning vehicle convinces everyone that he is dead, Suraj secretly watches events unfold from a distance. Then comes the moment that changes everything. When Isha hears about Suraj's supposed death, she completely breaks down. Tears stream down her face as she desperately calls out his name. The pain in her eyes is impossible to hide. Watching her grief leaves Suraj stunned. He cannot understand why Isha is suffering so deeply if she truly no longer cares about him. Determined to learn the truth, Suraj decides to remain hidden. He allows everyone to believe that he is gone while secretly observing Isha's every reaction. Meanwhile, Isha learns that a bomb had been planted in Suraj's car. Horrified by the revelation, she rushes to the accident site without a second thought. By the time she arrives, the vehicle is already engulfed in flames. Believing that Suraj is trapped inside, Isha loses all control. She tries to run toward the burning wreckage, desperate to save him. Despite repeated attempts by the crowd to stop her, she continues crying and calling out Suraj's name. Her world seems to shatter before her eyes. Hidden nearby, Suraj witnesses everything. Every tear, every scream, and every desperate attempt to reach him reveals a truth he never expected to see.